Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Math Geek. Here I am going to teach you mathematics for IT, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and also other engineering entrances. Before starting anything, let me just introduce myself. I am Rishabh Jain and I am a rank holder in IT, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and also have a teaching experience of about 4 years. Since this is my first video, let's just start with a very basic chapter called as quadratic equation. So what does this quadratic equation means? The basic definition of quadratic equation goes by any expression ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 having highest power or degree equal to 2, highest power or degree equal to 2, highest power or degree equal to 2, and coefficient of x square should not be equal to 0, which means coefficient of x square should not be equal to 0. If coefficient of x square gets equal to 0, if coefficient of x square gets equal to 0, then this whole equation gets converted into bx plus c, which means this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. So one of the most important condition for an expression to be a quadratic equation is this and this. The power should be 2 and the coefficient of x square should not be equal to 0. Got it? Now let's just jump to the first topic of this chapter, which is equation versus identity. What is equation and what is identity, and what is the basic difference between them? Equation is an expression which has finite number of roots. Finite number of roots depending upon the degree of equation. Let's take an example. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here the highest power or degree of the equation is 2. Therefore, maximum number of real roots will be equal to 2. Degree is 2. Maximum number of real roots is equal to 2. Let's take an example. X square minus 9 equal to 0. Degree is 2. The maximum number of real roots can be equal to 2, not more than 2. Therefore, x square equal to 9. Therefore, x can be equal to plus minus 3. Therefore, the two roots are plus 3 and minus 3. If the degree is 2, maximum roots can be 2. We have taken an example over here. X square minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, the two roots came. X is equal to plus minus 3. Okay? Now, what is their identity? An expression which has infinite number of roots. An expression which has infinite number of roots irrespective of the degree of equation. Which means, let's take this example again. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here I am saying that this equation has a finite root 2 and this equation has infinite roots. Here I am saying that this equation has finite roots, and here I am saying that this same equation having degree 2 has infinite roots. How is this possible? This condition is possible if and only if a equal to 0, b equal to 0, c equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, this term gets 0, b is equal to 0, this term gets 0, c is equal to 0, this term gets 0. Okay? So if a equal to 0, b equal to 0, c equal to 0, I can call that this equation is an identity. This equation has infinite number of roots. How is this possible? Let's see. If x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, let's put 1 over here. 0 into 1 square plus 0 into 1 plus 0 gives 0, which is equal to 0. Which means 0 is equal to 0. This is true. Let's put x equal to 2. 0 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 plus 0 gives 0, which is equal to 0. Again this is true, which means 2 is also the root. Now let's put x equal to 100. 0 into 100 square plus 0 into 100 plus 0 is equal to 0, which is again equal to 0. It means 100 is also the root. Which means if I put any value of x, the answer is going to be 0. Which means all the real values of x are the roots of the equation. All the real values of x are the roots of the equation. Therefore, for an expression to be an identity, the most necessary condition is all the coefficients should be equal to 0, and for an equation, the degree should be equal to the number of roots. The degree should be equal to the maximum number of roots. Got it? Let's take a question for this. The question is, for what values of a does this expression a minus 2x square plus a square minus 5a plus 6x plus a square minus 5a plus 4 equal to 0 represents an identity? For what values of a does this expression represents an identity? What is the condition for an identity for this equation? The condition for identity for this equation is a should be equal to 0, b should be equal to 0, c should be equal to 0. It means here the a is a minus 2 should be equal to 0, which means a equal to 2. Second condition, a square minus 5a plus 6 should be equal to 0, a minus 3, a minus 2 equal to 0, which means a is equal to 2 and 3. Third condition, c is equal to 0, a square minus 5a plus 4 equal to 0, a minus 4, a minus 1 equal to 0, which means a is equal to 4 and 1. So we got the values of a as 2, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. We didn't get any common value of a from here. We didn't get any common value from all the three conditions. Suppose I put 2 over here, this gets 0, this gets 0, but this doesn't get 0, which means c is not getting equal to 0. If I put 3 over here, this is not equal to 0, this is equal to 0, but this is not equal to 0. If I put 4 and 1 over here, this gets 0, this does not get 0, this does not get 0. It means for no value of a, all the three are equal to 0 at the same time. For no value of a, all the three are equal to 0 at the same time. Which means for no value of a, this expression represents an identity. Got it? So this type of question comes in JEE Advanced for more than one correct type. More than one correct type is where more than one correct options are correct. A, B or A, B, C or A, B, C, D, anything can be the answer. Okay? So we are done for the first video. If you have liked the video, if you have understood my video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell notification for further videos. Thank you so much.